You say hi? Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. You're gonna fall over. You trying to fall over? How about you sit up?
Hey, Mom.
What?
You're in the picture.
There's Maddie in the picture. I'm making a video.
That's Maddie.
Yeah, there's Maddie. Gabby, go next to Maddie.
Hello?
Go over there. Yeah. Get in the movie. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say I love you, Daddy.
Hey.
You need a haircut.
What?
You need a haircut.
Oh.
Maddie's looking at you.
Yay, look at him.
Give her a kiss. Give Maddie a kiss. Don't lift your shirt up. Give her a kiss.
My body's cold.
Your body's cold?
Yeah.
Well, it's nice out today. You shouldn't be cold. Go give Maddie a kiss.
Hey, you kiss.
You give her a kiss.
My back hurts.
Your back hurts? So you can't give her a kiss because of that? See, watch.
Yeah.
See?
What?
Give her a kiss. Like that.
Oh.
You do it. Alright.
Oh, no.
Put your hand on your butt.
I'm not doing it. I got scratch on my back.
Maddie. Maddie, move. Maddie, move. Okay, that's enough video. Bye.